Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 12. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find the videos on GAAP Advisors channel useful, kindly reflect on the value created and contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has disclosed the note on major components of deferred tax liabilities oblique assets on account of timing differences. In our view, the disclosure is not in accordance with Ind AS 12. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 81G of Ind AS 12 requires the disclosure of, in respect of each type of temporary difference, the deferred tax assets and liabilities recognized in the balance sheet. The company has disclosed major components of deferred tax assets liabilities arising on account of timing differences. That is, the company has not disclosed deferred tax assets and liabilities in respect of each type of temporary difference. Therefore, the disclosure is not in accordance with para 81G of Ind AS 12. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.